Hi, this is Dr. Doreste with the Cranial Release Technique. I want to thank you for making the decision to visit me as a chiropractor and to visit my office. So before you come in and physically sit down face to face, I just wanted to explain a few things to you about me and about the way that I practice chiropractic. So when you first come in, we'll probably fill out some minimal paperwork just to get to know each other, get to know why you've come in to see me. And then I'll explain what I do and why I do it. And I have to be honest with you right now, before you even come in, it doesn't really matter what you're going to put on that piece of paper, because what I'm going to do is exactly the same thing to every patient, whether they came in with a migraine headache, whether they came in with low back pain, whether they came in with a skin problem, whether they came in with bowel trouble, whether they came in with anxiety, whatever it is, it really doesn't matter to me, because what I'm going to do is something called the cranial release technique, which is a very simple, gentle technique that's going to open and align these 22 bones in the head. For what reason? Well, there's only really one reason why I do this, and that's to take tension off the brain, the computer that controls every function of your body, the things that you're aware of, the things you're not aware of. And by doing that, we're going to help the brain to function optimally. And that's it. So it doesn't matter why you're coming in. It could be to improve your golf game. It could be because you have headaches. It could be because you have dyslexia. It could be because you have a neurological condition. It doesn't matter. I'm not treating the condition. I'm not addressing even the symptoms. I'm addressing the brain and taking mechanical tension off the brain to optimize function. And how do we do that? Well, it's called the cranial release technique. It's a very short, very gentle visit and very powerful. And then what do we do after that? Well, then I put you on a regular schedule to optimize brain function. Well, what causes the tension in the cranial bones to put tension on the brain? And the answer to that is stress, whether it's physical stress, chemical stress, emotional stress. So I'm telling you right now, I'm telling you up front, this is something I do for myself and my family on a regular basis. For how long? For the rest of my life. I don't want to wait for a symptom, and whether I have a symptom or not. You know, if you haven't been to the gym in 5 years and you go and do a heavy workout, how are you going to feel tomorrow? You're going to feel miserable. Everything's going to hurt, and that's just a cause of an excessive workout of something that you haven't done in so many years. So the symptom doesn't always tell me the whole story. What I'm interested in doing is addressing the cranium, so that I see you there, addressing the cranium. That's my wife. We're getting ready to go to a party, so I'm doing a quick video before we head out. So what I'm going to do with you and what I do with every patient is virtually the same thing. Take the tension off the brain with the cranial release technique to allow the brain to function better. And that's it. It's very simple. You need it. Your family needs it. Your dad and mom need it. Your neighbors need it. The people at your job need it. Everyone needs it. And that's why I made this video, so we could have this little upfront understanding before you even walk in, so I don't have to repeat myself again. I'll probably repeat some of it, but just so you understand what this is all about. This is a natural, holistic, any word you wanna put to it. It's something that's done on a regular basis, like brushing your teeth, like eating a good diet, like getting fresh air, sunshine, drinking water, all the things that keep us functioning optimally. Well, cranial release is something else that fits into that basket. All right, this is Dr. Doreste, cranial release technique. Looking forward to seeing you soon in the office. You have a great day. Bye-bye, my friends.